Friday night, live improv right here with us because we're locked in our houses. We're going to play a game now called a Repair Shop, where Jacob is going to leave the room. And when he comes back, he's entering a repair shop to have something fixed. The problem is, he's not going to know what it is. Only Barry knows what the object is going to be. And through incredibly smart moves, they're going to try to figure it out. So, Jacob, we're sending you into the soundproof room while we figure out what it is that you're going to be returning. So everybody say bye, Jacob. Bye, Jacob. Bye. That's not at all what I had planned to do. Is he gone? Is he gone?
Yes.
Okay. And now we're just going to sign off and leave. What's an object that's in your home right now that you're wishing you could just grab that object and go have it fixed? Having things fixed was something we used to do in the olden days. An object that you would love to have fixed.
A safe.
A what?
A safe?
Like a big steel.
Yeah.
Put it in there. I love it.
A house that doesn't work.
Everybody else good with it? Then it's going to be a safe. When he gets close, give him like a little bit of hey love in your little boxes there. All right, let's bring him back in. And Barry, you start the scene wherever you want. If you're not Barry or Jacob, please mute your microphones now. Take your opportunity to mute your microphones, if you will. He's coming back in, myself included. You guys have fun.
Hi. Is this Barry's? Is this Barry's repair?
Sure is.
Yeah.
Sure is. Welcome back there, Phil.
Yeah. I get lost a lot. I'm sorry. It's really easy to forget where you guys are. It's really small.
Yeah.
So you know how you fixed my waffle iron? Really great job. Really awesome work. I got something. So I tried taking it back to where I got it from, but no dice. I took it into the shower with me.
In the shower. Oh my God! Did it rust at all? It doesn't look rusty. Not rusted at all.
I think maybe it's on the inside. I don't know.
You got into it?
The water might have. I don't know.
These things are usually waterproof.
It was a long shower, Barry. It was a very long shower.
Oh.
That's my big.
Have the combination of the shower?
There's a couple different directions it comes from. It's a cool shower. You should come over and have a shower. So, do people say that?
I think I can take care of that. I think there's some very valuable things in there.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I just thought it was valuable. I just thought it was kind of cool to have. I thought it would make sense in my bathroom. Kind of an aquatic kind of.
Yeah, well, usually these things are behind the wall. I wouldn't put it in maybe the wall of the shower if you want to put it in there, but make sure you don't get too rusty that way.
Sure. Yeah. Definitely wouldn't want that to happen.
Right.
But yeah, what do you?
Well, let me take a look at it.
Yeah. I'll help you with it. I know it's heavy. I know it's kind
huge. These things could weigh tons sometimes.
Yeah, especially when it's full of cool stuff. Maybe that's why it's so heavy. Maybe it's full of cool stuff. Are you all right? Oh, sorry. Hey, Barry. Okay, you're good. I'll just put this on. Yeah.
Oh, Jesus, Barry. Phil,
I got you. Yeah, we're good. No, I got it.
Crying out loud.
Yeah, right?
I fixed one of these back when Al Capone had one.
Oh, yeah?
Kept a lot of stuff in there.
That's cool.
Mostly bodies, but...
Oh, yeah.
Okay, well, so I'm going to I'm going to try a couple combinations here, see if I can get right inside of it.
Oh yeah, yeah. Why don't you try the date that I found it? It was I found it on March 19th.
That's 03 to the right 5 times.
Yeah.
And then to the left 4 times and 19, yeah.
Is that the way you do it? Okay, yeah.
Yeah. What's that third number? What's the third number there?
It was 1999. I've had it this whole time.
I partied like hell in 1999, boy.
We all did, man. Yeah, we all did, Barry. I remember. You were great.
Whoa!
Is it bodies? Are there bodies in my safe?
Hey, he's got it. Well done. Good. Well played. Why don't you come over and take a shower? I mean, do people say that? Very close friendship. That's why they got it. All right. So that was Repair Shop, and we're going to be back with more improv in just a few minutes.